Hi guys, this is Ludinato here. I'm going to walk you guys through the process of bridging a network connection from your wireless router to your Xbox using an Ethernet cable and a laptop. This is a pretty simple process. You're going to need three main things. You're going to need your wireless router. Actually, yeah, of course you'll need that. But that's not one of the main things. Actually, yes it is, but we're not fooling with that. Wireless router, your Xbox 360, your Ethernet cable. That comes with it. It's the gray cable. If you don't have it, then you're an idiot because it comes with it. And, of course, your laptop. Now, first of all, we're going to do the first step of bridging the connection. So what you're going to do is, if you're running Vista, good for you. And you're going to understand this probably 10 times better. You're going to go to your Network and Sharing Center. So you're going to go to, I'm trying to get this. I don't feel like using my screen recording software. Control Panel, Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center. It shows you that this computer is connected to Ludinato, which is my router, into the Internet. Cool. Now, you must have your Ethernet connected and your Xbox on. See, my Xbox is on. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go to the little ditty over here, Manage Network Connections. It's going to open up here. I already have the network bridge on. But for those who are dumb, what you would do is you'd have both of these. First of all, let's look at the properties. You're going to have to say okay to that. I have a text message. There would be a properties box that would be right here. You would click it. It actually says settings or something. And you would click it and it would say, have two checkboxes. Make sure both of them are unchecked. They have to be unchecked. I repeat, unchecked. Because if they are checked, then you cannot bridge the connection. It'll say some shit about landlines must be shared to cables, blah, blah, blah. All that crap that no one understands. So what you would do is you would highlight these. You know how to highlight, click and drag, stuff like that. And once both of them were highlighted, this wouldn't be here at the moment. This would be just completely obliterated, not here. Once both were highlighted, you'd right click and you click Bridge Connections, wherever it would be. So there you go. It's going to take about 5 minutes to bridge. Congratulations. It should say your local area connection is enabled and bridged, and your router, your wireless network, is enabled and bridged. Do you have a full connection? Good for you. This is the confusing part. I'll give you a second to replay that. Okay guys, this is the second part about it. To make sure that it was bridged, you should see your user PC, your wireless broadband, and your Xbox 360. Yes, it will detect that it is an Xbox 360 connected. My hand's covering this because this is confidential information. Another computer on our network that has a certain name that I can't display. Okay, let me X that out so you guys don't see that. Let's minimize that. Okay, now, we're going to open up your internet. I gotta turn away because I can't let you guys see what school I attend. This is my homepage. You're gonna enter in your code for your router. Just search it on Google or something. Like, they're all different types. They're mainly the same though. Like, BELKIN has a certain one. All that stuff. So here's my BELKIN settings. You're gonna go first to your firewall and your not that. That's your subnet mask. Oh, wow. Okay, you're going to go to Firewall, Virtual Servers. It's going to say, what's your password, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to enter it in for a second. Done. Okay, now, as that logs in, we're going to check my phone. I have a text message. Same, helping out, blah, blah, blah. Oh, true. Okay, cool. Now, this is the technical part. Once you get to virtual servers, you must do the first three. Screw the last three because that was for another setting that I do. The first three here. Don't look at the fourth, the three. 1, 2, 3. Make sure that they're correct. You must have these correct, especially the type, the UDP STP crap. Make sure they're right. Got it? Good. Now, so you don't look at that, make sure that these three are correct. 88, 3074, 3074, 3074, blah, blah, blah. Okay. And where my hand's over, so you guys don't see the address, just put 3 at the end. The number 3 where the blank box is. Once that's done, click Apply Changes. Right there. Cool. Now, second thing you have to do, go to System Settings. This is the main part that will open up your NAT. Because you do this, you're going to get it bitching at you saying, oh, your NAT is moderate, blah, blah, blah. And you start to get pissed at your Xbox and start spitting on it, and by the end of the day it's going to have the red rings of death or be in your driveway in pieces. Go to UPnP enabling. Screw the NAT. I don't want you guys touching that. If you touch that, your Xbox won't work. UPnP enabling. Advanced feature, blah, blah, blah. Tells you all that crap. Enable it. You must enable this. I can't stress it enough. Enable it. You got it? What are you guys going to do? That's right, you're going to enable it. Alright, once that's done, you're going to go back to the top of the screen. If I can get to the top of the screen. And you're going to click Apply Changes. Actually, they're at the bottom. My bad. You're going to click the little ditty right here saying Apply Changes. Congratulations, that's going to be running for 5 minutes saying your router might reset. Is this okay? Just press alright. That's going to be fine and everything. Okay, now, you did all this dandy stuff. Congratulations, your router is now configured for your Xbox Live. Now, you've done all the stuff on the computer you need. Make sure it's connected. Now, you guys know my gamertag is YouTubeProducer. Let me find my Xbox remote. Here it is. Okay. Yeah. Good book. Yep, I'm doing my summer reading. Okay. You're going to go to your system settings, which is way over here. Sorry, when you videotape a TV, it doesn't work out so well. You're going to scroll down to your network settings. Press A. Test Xbox Live connection. Press A again. It's going to say testing will sign out people. That's fine. It's going to do your whole test right here. It's going to test your network, your stuff like this. Now, hopefully it works like I did because, yeah, if it goes like that really fast, usually you're fine. But if it takes a while, you're probably going to get a moderate thing. I've really noticed this because I worked on this for quite a while. Don't worry, it's going to give you that little dash. Don't start freaking out like it froze. Your Xbox is fine. And congratulations. No warning came up, and you should get something in the corner that should say Xbox Live is up and running, blah, blah, blah. It doesn't say that for me because I've done this test way too many times. But if you really want to check, you can check your status. That doesn't really help unless you're a coder and you understand that stuff. But that's it, guys. That's the whole process. You can do it in less than 10 minutes if you know what you're doing. Don't touch the wrong settings, though, on your router. I mean, if you do and it gets screwed up, you can just reset your router. But I'm not here to tell you how to do that. So, yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and happy gaming. Add me up on Xbox Live. Just send me a message who you are and say where you met me or heard from me, and I'll add you up. Peace.